How to remove your Instagram account from another phone. Maybe you've sold your phone and accidentally forgot to log out of your Instagram account. In this guide, I'll show you how to sign out remotely. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the navigation menu in the top right. From there, select Account Center. Scroll down and tap Password and Security. Then select where you're logged in. Choose the Instagram account you want to sign out of. You'll now see a list of all the devices currently signed into your Instagram account. If you notice a device you don't recognize, simply tap on it and press Log Out, then Confirm. If you have multiple devices listed, tap Select Devices to log out, choose all the ones you want to remove, and then sign out of them all at once with a single click. It's that simple. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.